Next we are discussing ninth point of argument. This is last point. Here given is what? Argument of z1 minus z2 divided by z3 minus z4. This one we want to represent in complex plane. तो सबसे पहले क्या करें, यहाँ पर हम प्रॉपर्टी यूज करें. So this one we can write what? Argument of z1 minus z2 minus argument of z3 minus z4. Like that we can write. Okay, so we are taking complex plane, real axis, origin and imaginary axis. तो सबसे पहले हम ड्रॉ करें आर्ग्यूमेंट ऑफ z1 माइनस z2. ओके, सो देयर आर टू कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर, वन इज z1, वन इज z2. सो आर्ग्यूमेंट ऑफ z1 माइनस z2, इट इज डायरेक्टेड लाइन सेगमेंट joining z1 and z2 and directions towards z1. Okay, suppose this point is what? Z2 and this point is what? Z1. So it is a directed line segment joining z1 and z2 and directions towards z1. So this line segment will come. Similarly, we are drawing argument of z3 minus z4. So it is a directed line segment joining z3 and z4 and directions towards z3. Okay, suppose z3 is here and z4 is here. Okay, so it is a directed line segment joining z4 and z3 and directions towards z3. Okay, so there are four portions will come. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so this point is what? Reference point will be there. Okay, so if you use tell that angle we have to take between 1 and 3. Okay, if we use tell, then we have to find angle between 1 and 2. But if you use head, okay, so head is what? This one. Then we have to use angle between 3 and 4. Okay, if we use head, then we have to find angle between 3 and 4. Okay, then ray will be from starting from z2 and this point is what? Ending. And similarly from here is starting and ending is here. If you use tell, then starting is here and ending is what? Towards z1, and starting is here to ending is what? Towards z3. Okay, suppose this angle is what? Theta. Okay, this angle is what? Theta. So here argument of z1 minus z2 divided by z3 minus z4. Okay, so this difference is coming. Okay, suppose this angle is something will be there. Okay, suppose this angle is what? Theta. Okay, this angle is what? Theta. Now what you will do here, argument of z1 minus z2 minus argument of z3 minus z4 equal to theta. Okay, so argument of z3 minus z4, if you take this side, so what will come? Argument of z1 minus z2 equal to theta plus argument of z3 minus z4. This will come. So argument of z3 minus z4. So we are taking reference as what? This point. Okay, reference is this point. Okay, and we are using tell, not head. So if you are using tell, that means we have to find an angle between 1 and 2. Okay, so what is argument of z3 minus z4? That means this line will come. Okay, now for finding this one, we have to rotate this line in which direction? In which direction? We have to rotate this one in clockwise direction. So if you are using clockwise direction, that means theta must be negative. Theta should be less than 0. Okay, so if you are using in clockwise direction, that means theta should be negative. So here theta should be less than 0. Theta should be less than 0. Okay, similarly if you use this reference point, okay, head, so this is what? Argument of z3 minus z4 is what? This one. Okay, now for finding this one, here also this one we have to rotate in which direction? In which direction we have to rotate? In clockwise direction only. Then also here also theta will be negative. Theta will be negative. So in both case theta will be negative. Okay, so we can use reference point is what? Head also and tail also. Okay, so if you are using head, then angle between 3 and 4 we have to find. If you are using reference point is what? Tail, then we have to find angle between 1 and 2. Okay,